Corona. My Corona. My Corona. My Corona. Hey there, 7th grade civics students from Pierce Middle School. Here's how we're going to deal with this COVID-19 coronavirus. First thing we're going to do is we're going to tackle it. Then we're going to pin it to the ground. 1, 2, 3, your pin. And then we're going to kick it out of here. Get out of here, virus. Get out of here. That's how we deal with things here at PHS. Now, in terms of work that you're going to have, please check your emails. Please check Canvas. I will be sending out weekly updates as to what we're going to do and how we're going to go about this. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. God bless.